Hello, amazing learners. Welcome back to class. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at important topic, addition in order basis. Our topic says addition in order basis. Like we all know, each base has digits. We have base 2. In base 2, what digit do we make use of in base 2? In base 2, have only two digits, 0 and 1. If we are dealing with base 5, what are the digits that make up base 5? The digits that make up base 5 are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. So in each of these bases, the highest digit for each base will always be 1 less than the base. So for base 5, the digit will stop at 4. For base 8, the digit will stop at 7. For base 9 and 10, the digit stops at 9. That is the rule. The digit will not be the digit will not include the base itself. So today we're going to look at how to add in order basis. Addition in order basis follows the same rule as adding in base 10. In base 10, say for example, if I'm to add in base 10, if I have to add 58 plus 63. If I'm to add it in base 10, we know that we say 8 plus 3, which will be 11. And once the number is bigger than the base, you're not going to write 11 here. You write 1 because 11 means 10 plus 1. So you write 1 and carry 1 to this place. This is 1/10 to this place. 1 plus 5 will be 6. 6 plus 6 will be 12. You're not going to write 12 here. You're going to write only 2 because 12 is 10 plus 2. You write 2 and take 1 to this place. And when there is no other digit, you put down 1 to get 1 plus 0 is 1. We know that when we are adding in base 10, once the number reaches 10, if this were to be 10, you put 0, carry 1 to this place. The same rule applies when adding in order basis. Like this one, we have add 1011 base 2 and 110 base 2. Let us add it. 1011 base 2 plus 110 base 2. Remember, this number is in base 2. So the highest digit in base 2 is 1. For me to add it, 1, let me put my addition sign. 1 plus 0 will be what? 1. We bring 1 down. Now 1 plus 1 will be what? 2. And you remember this is base 2. No, it doesn't have to have 2 because the highest digit can never reach up to the 2, which is the base. So this, when you have 1 plus 1 and you say 2. Now when you have, what you have to do is 2 means this is 2. And since it has reached the base, now you can say 2 divided by 2. That will give you 1 remainder. That will give you 1 remainder 0. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So when it reaches 2, it's like it's the same thing as saying 8 plus 2 in base 10. That will be 10, and you put 0, carry 1 over. So here, since it is 2, that means you cannot put 2 here. What you do is 2 divided by 2. That will give you 1 remainder 0. Put that remainder here. Carry this 1 over to this place. So you carry over 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 1, 2 again. So when I've reached 2, we cannot write 2 here. I'll still say 2 divided by 2. I'm dividing by 2 because the base is base 2. 2 divided by 2, that will give me 1 remainder 0. I'll put my 0 here. And I'll carry my 1 to this place. And 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2 will give me 1 remainder 0. I'll put my 0, carry my 1 here. So there's nothing here again. I'll bring down my 1 because it is like 1 plus 0, 1. So our final answer will become 10001 in base 2. Remember to put the base as a subscript. That is the rule. Let's take a look at the second example. We have 243 base 5 plus 122 base 5. Remember, we are adding in base 5, and because we are adding in base 5, the highest digit in base 5 will be 4. No number will be up to 5. So let us set it the way we normally set it: 2, 4, 3 plus 1, 2, 2, all in base 5. Okay, now we have 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 in a normal addition is 5. But because our base is base 5, we cannot write 5 here. So we say 5 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5. That will give me 1, remainder 0. I will put the remainder here, 0, and I will carry 1 to this place. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7. So, and I cannot write 7 because I'm dealing with base 5. So I'm going to do 7 divided by 5. 7 divided by 5. If I divide 7 by 5, I get 1, remainder 2. So I'll put my 2 here, carry this my 1 to this place. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So see our final answer: 420 base 5. That's the answer. It's very, very simple. The way we add in decimal, whereby no number, once we have 10 in decimal or 11, you put down 1 or 0 and carry the other one. That is what you do. Remember, no digits will be bigger than the base. Alright, practice the exercise that is displayed on the screen. Put your answer in the comments. See you in my next class. Bye.